Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing an official boat giveaway video. We're currently fishing it. So that guy who said, does it float? Yeah, it floats, fool. So I'm actually standing in it right now. You can sit just fine. You can get back up just fine. You can move around just fine. There's nothing wrong with this boat. It's got the trolling motor in the back, or trolling motor mount in the back. So you can put a trolling motor on here. All like specific numbers in terms of length. It is 12 feet long, but how wide it is, all that stuff, I'll leave in the description down below. There'll be a link. And all you have to do is be subscribed and like this video or any of our other videos, but mainly it's just be subscribed because we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. But I don't want to say what subscribers we are at right now because that deters people from actually doing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave a cutoff date. So by October 1st, we're going to reveal who won the raft, or if we hit 1,000 subs before that date, then we'll reveal it then. But we are close, guys, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, especially subscribe.
Alright guys, what's up? So this is gonna be a lucky subscriber's boat. So as you can see, holds 2 chairs, guys. Plenty extra space for the bait, tackle, cooler, beer, woman. You got a woman. That's why there's hardwood floor down there, but that's for special occasions, guys. But you just want to take it out and fish. Look, got down the river, no problem. Didn't get wet, we didn't fall in, we didn't tip. So, come on guys, like, subscribe, and follow for your chance to win this.
How many fish have you caught?
Caught about 3 of them, decent sized bass.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Jesus. Did you? Came off? I told you, man. You're gonna rip it out of its mouth. You're gonna rip it out of its mouth. I wanna. We just don't have the. I can't believe I didn't bring those hooks. Like, how do you forget hooks? Oh, bring him up, bring him up. There it is, boys.
So I've been messing with it the whole time.
You can't say we didn't catch a fish on this video.
On this boat, guys, right here.
Yeah, on the boat. On the boat.
$20,000 bass boat.
Ooh, nice hook set. Look at that. All right, now we're going to hook this guy up so we can get a bigger one. Just kidding. But if you see us catch a 10-pounder, you know why. All right, you get it off. I can't get it off.
I just swallowed that whole thing, so I don't know.
Come on, guys. I haven't caught a fish yet, so I need one. You know what this river's problem is? It just got too many small little guys like that eating up all the food for the big guys. Are you just having fun catching? All right. Huh? Yeah. That guy got a nice one.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my God, guys, something hit this little guy, but I wasn't paying attention. Oh, there he is. No! Oh my God. I think I still got him. Yeah. Hell yeah, guys. Hell yeah. Cat. Heck yeah, boys. You guys see that? This boat right here, you guys need to like, comment, and subscribe. Your boat catches you fish, bro. This boat catches you fish on. Look at this tiny rod. Okay. Quick release. Y'all saw that quick release? Telling you guys, man. I keep trying to tell you guys. The rig here is weightless. I mean, I have a jig head on because we ran out of weight, just regular hooks, but it's just a hook and a worm, blood.
You have any more of those?
Yeah, yeah, right here. Worm. Look at this guy. So that's yeah, shad dart, really. And then you grab it and you wham. You toss it out, and you just leave it. You leave it. You leave it. Generally, it'll strike it before it even reaches the bottom, but with these jig heads, it's gonna reach the bottom. But that's all.
There we go. Hell yeah. Oh, look at that hook set. Look at that, guys. Everybody, guys, I was noodling here, just putting my hand down that hole. Look right here, and I hooked one, and it's a little too big for me to carry, so it kind of just. I'll catch another one, guys.
I think I got a fit. Yep. Oh. Oh no!
Still there?
Get that. Oh, guys. Did you see that? That was huge. Ah, just playing around, guys, trying to get a cool shot. Missed the fish. Well, yeah. That's it.